Hi guys! So today I'm doing a simple makeup for fall. Hope you enjoy it. So now I'm going to apply my face lotion. It is by Believe. Today I'm gonna have Foodie Foundation 320G. So I'm going to take a flat foundation makeup brush and start to blend it all over of my face. So concealer by Too Faced, it is light medium. So contour by Too Faced, it is very deep. I'm going to use this flat brush, it is really soft, easy to blend it. So this is one of my favorite setting powder, Laura Mercier. I'm going to set the powder on my face a little bit. I'm going to apply concealer on my lid and under my eyebrow a little bit. So I'm going to choose Henna shade for my brown. It is soft brown. Don't forget to brush your brow a little bit. I like to use concealer to clean up my eyebrows, so make it not crooked and nice and clean. So first I'm going to apply the creamy white on my eyebrow bone. So I'm going to choose the pumpkin yellow to apply on middle of my lid. I'm going to use the same one, pumpkin yellow. I'm going to make these two colors together and start to apply over all my crease. So now I'm going to apply the brown color over all my last line. So I don't feel to put wing today. And I'm going to add some highlighter on my eyebrow bone. Make sure curl your eyelash a little bit before you put the lash on. I'm going to apply some mascara on before I put the lash. So I'm going to take concealer to clean up the mess and make it like a wing line. I really love this lash that I got from my show, only $3.99. So I'm going to cut the lash a little bit cause it looked a little too long. When you apply the eyelash glue, make sure let it dry a little bit, so make it easy when you put it on. So now I'm going to take a brush and start to blend it all over all my face. So now I'm going to apply some highlighter on my nose. Some on my cheekbone. So now I'm going to add some blush on. I'm going to mix the two colors together. So now I'm going to take a tissue to remove some oil on my lip before I'm apply the lip liner. I'm going to apply concealer on the tip of my lip a little bit. It is better for over lip liner. So today I have Sephora matte lipstick liquid number 76. I'm ready for fall. Thanks you guys for watching and I hope you guys liked the video. Comment below if you have any question. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to click subscribe if you wanna see more videos. Bye guys!